create a better future for yourself by starting your own business. Starting a woodworking business, where you become your own boss, calling the shots every day, and taking charge of your future, is the dream of many. But relatively few actually take the leap. Most prefer the so-called security of employment versus the uncertainty, yet unlimited potential, of self-employment. If you're a semi-skilled woodworker with a couple of years' experience, you can always find a job, working for somebody else. And there's nothing wrong with that choice, of course. But if you have a yearning for something more, something challenging, yet full of promise and potential, then starting your own small wood shop is the way to go. The possibilities are endless. And the sky is the limit, as far as potential earnings go. It certainly isn't easy. But it's not impossible either. All of the tools you need can be obtained. All the affordable and readily available training today didn't exist years ago, so you have an advantage. Being the boss means you're ultimately responsible for everything that happens in your shop. And you are responsible for every product that leaves, destined for a new home. The buck stops with you. But with responsibility, comes a certain amount of respect. No longer are you just another employee. You're not just a woodworker or cabinet maker, you're the boss. There's no one peering over your shoulder, scrutinizing everything you do, or barking orders. How effective you are at managing the business has a lot to do with how much you learn. For successful business owners, learning is a lifelong activity. You set the working hours and the tone of your operation. And being organized and productive has a definite impact on your results. Most importantly, you get to choose your area of specialty. No matter what, you get to work with the raw materials of your choosing, primarily wood, and that's never a bad thing. If you feel stuck in a rut, and you know in your heart that you're capable of more, try starting your own business. It will test you. But if you stick with it, you can earn the money you want, and give yourself greater freedom at the same time. And if things don't work out, you can always take your new experience and apply it somewhere else. Give yourself the gift of specialized knowledge. Simply click on the link below in the description, and discover the secrets of starting a successful woodworking business.